Hi, I believe this is your Facebook page. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Showing to you now. This is the website. Okay, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos and this gallery link here, and of course your contact details on this link together with the map on the side. And now if you have any other services, information about the services that you're offering, we can also add it here on this link. And about the company, we can add your company profile on this link. And yeah, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply, let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Asian Boomer Marketing in Red Tier. Talk to you soon. Thank you.